Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last few videos, we have already discussed about ICAR JRF in social science, syllabus, books. Okay. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the how to start study for JRF in social science, which books we have to read first, or on which topic we have to focus. We will discuss in this video. As we know, there are 8-9 books of agricultural economics. These are the agriculture economics by Subba Reddy, then farm production management by V.T. Raju, agriculture finance and management by Subba Reddy Raghuram, agriculture marketing in India by Acharya Agrawal, fundamentals of farm business management by Zohal and Kapoor, elementary economic theory by K.K. David, modern economics Ahuja, and another important book is Introduction to Agriculture Social Science by Subhash Chandra, and after that last book is Objective Agricultural Economics by K.N. Ravi Kumar. Okay, these are the books of agricultural economics. So, as we know, our syllabus of social science is divided in 3-4 parts. First part is of agricultural economics, that is unit 2 and unit 3. It is related to agricultural economics. Then second part is extension education, that is unit 4 and unit 5. It is about the extension education. Then statistics is there in unit 1st, and last one is general agriculture. So these books are different. Okay, so as per my knowledge, you must start reading the UG notes. If you have to do ICAR JRF in social science, you very firstly you must read the undergraduate, your UG notes of all the courses of agricultural economics, all the courses of extension education, then also read the UG notes of statistics. Okay, after reading all these UG notes, then you go for the reading of books. Okay, now while reading any book, you must keep in mind you have to read that book according to your syllabus. Don't read it pages wise. You are reading, today I have read 50 pages, 100 pages. No, it's not like that. You must read, firstly, you must read the syllabus, which topic is given in that book. If that topic is in the syllabus, then you read that book. Otherwise, don't waste your time on reading lengthy reading. Okay, do the quality reading. Syllabus oriented study is most important in a JRF of any subject. Okay, now how to start study, or from which subject we have to start study. I have listened from experts of agricultural economics and experts of social sciences also. They told me the student must start the study of social science JRF from the subject of agricultural economics, because the 50% of questions are asked from the agriculture economics subject, then 50% question or 30-40%, that proportion is not fixed, but majority of part is asked from the agriculture economics and extension education also. Okay, so there is no fixed proportion, but you must start from the agricultural economics. Now, how to start study of agricultural economics, which book you have to read first in case of agricultural economics. So, as per my knowledge, you must start your study after reading all the UG notes. In case of books, you must start with the agriculture economics by Subba Reddy, book of the Subba Reddy, this first book. In this book, they have given all the basic concepts, means syllabus of unit 2 and unit 3 in very easy language. Read this book very slowly and continuously. Okay, and don't forget to write down the important points or key notes in your notebook. After reading this whole book, then you go for the another book, that is Economics of Farm Production and Management by V.T. Raju. The part of production economics is very nicely given in this book. If you have time, if you have a lot of time, Then you can go for the specific books of finance, that is agriculture finance and management by Reddy and Raghuram. Then agriculture marketing in India, Acharya Agrawal. Then for Zole and Kapoor, fundamentals of farm management. But for the basic concept, you can read another book, that is Elementary Economic Theory by K.K. DeWitt. You can read this book once or twice. The language of this book is quite difficult or tough is there, but this book is also helpful. After reading all these books of agricultural economics, you must read an introduction to agricultural social science by Subhash Chandra. This is also most important book in case of agricultural economics. An introduction to agricultural social sciences by Subhash Chandra. You also read this book very slowly and very carefully. Okay. After reading all these theoretical notes and theoretical books for your syllabus of unit 2 and 3, then you go for the objective book, Objective Agricultural Economics by K.N. Ravi Kumar. Don't go directly for objective, because as we know, agricultural economics is a totally conceptual subject. Firstly, clear your concept from the book of Subhash Chandra, and Subba Reddy. These books are very important. Book of Agriculture Economics by Subba Reddy and an Introduction to Agriculture Social Sciences, Subhash Chandra. If you have sufficient time, then you go for the specific books of finance, marketing, farm management. Okay. For introductory part or for basic concept, you can use the book of K.K. DeWitt also. So this is about the agricultural economics. Now second part is agricultural extension education. As we know, there are 6 to 7 books of extension education is there. Extension Communication Management, G.L. Ray. It is most important book for communication part, or the up to the 60 to 70% of syllabus of extension education is covered in the book of G.L. Ray. Then textbook on agricultural communication by A.S. Sandhu. Then an introduction to extension education, S.V. Supe. This small book is also important, Fundamental of Agriculture Extension Education by Sagar Mandal. Then another important book is Extension Education by Advi Reddy. Then after reading all this theoretical book, you can read the Objective Agriculture Extension by Sunil Viji. Objective Agriculture Extension by Sunil Viji and Instant Extension Education by Shruti. It is must to read the book of extension education by Shruti. Okay. Now how to start, or from which book you have to start the study of extension education. So you must start the study of extension education from the book of Extension Communication and Management by G.L. Ray. First you read this book, whole book, complete book for your syllabus, that is for unit 4 and unit 5. Then you go for another book. For communication part, you can also read the book of a textbook on agricultural communication by A.S. Sandhu. Then another book, most important book of extension education, is an Introduction to Extension Education by S.V. Supe. Then textbook of extension education, second edition by S.V. Supe is there. Then Fundamentals of Agriculture Extension by Sagar Mandal. So these are the 3-4 books which are very important, but you must focus on the book of G.L. Ray and S.V. Supe. After reading this book, then read the part of extension education from the book of An Introduction to Agricultural Social Sciences by Subhash Chandra. Okay. So after reading all these theoretical notes and theoretical books, then go for the objective type or multiple choice question type books, that is extension education, agricultural extension education by Sunil Viji, then instant extension education by Shruti. These 2 books. After reading all the theoretical books, then go for the objective. So this is about the books and syllabus of extension education, or how to study for extension education. Now third part is the statistics part and part of general agriculture. How to study for statistics part. For statistics, firstly read the basic notes, UG notes of statistics. Okay, after reading that note, you go for the book of fundamentals of statistics by S.C. Gupta. Fundamentals of statistics by S.C. Gupta. Firstly read the theoretical part, write down your important notes in your notebook, then you go for the multiple choice question. Then you can also read the statistics from the book of Sunil Viji and statistics from the book of Subhash Chandra. Okay, but just keep in mind, firstly you have to read the theoretical portion, then you are in the last you have to go for the objective. Now the another book, another notes is there on AgriMoon website is there. You can download the notes of TNU, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, online notes for statistics. That notes is also important for the ICAR JRF in social science. Okay. About the general agriculture. For general agriculture, I already told you, you must read at least 1 hour and 1.5 hours daily, because general agriculture is very vast. As per my knowledge, there are 15 to 25 questions or up to 30 questions that comes from general agriculture. So to cover the syllabus of general agriculture within 1 month or within 2 months or within 1 week, it is impossible. So for general agriculture, you must read daily for 1 hour. For now, which books you have to read for general agriculture? You firstly read the Fundamentals of Agriculture, volume 1, volume 2 by Arun Katten, then Muniraj Singh Rathod, then Nimraj Sundai's book there. See here the book of Fundamentals of Statistics by S.C. Gupta, and the another books, Fundamentals of Agriculture, volume 1 by Arun Katten, volume 2 by Arun Katten, then Objective Agriculture by S.R. Kantwa. But for general agriculture, firstly read the volume 1 and volume 2 by Arun Katten, then go for Objective Agriculture by S.R. Kantwa. Then in the last month, means before exam, you must focus on the current agriculture. For current agriculture, you must purchase the current editions of a competitive book of agriculture by Nimraj Singh. First book Nimraj Singh, then General Agriculture by Muniraj Singh Rathod. Okay, then Agriculture Current Affairs. These are the some current books in the, it may be published in the month of January and February. You must know about the current status of agriculture. You must visit the websites of ICAR. Then there are 2 magazines, that is Kurukshetra and Yojana. From this magazine you will get the information about the general agriculture. So this is how you have to study for the agricultural economics, for the extension education, for the statistics, and for the general agriculture. So dear students, start your study with agricultural economics, and then extension education, then statistics, and then the general agriculture. Okay, so wish you all the best everyone. Thank you.